Okay guys, we've come over to Home Pro. We're gonna check out water pumps so we can see if we can increase the pressure on our water so our shower will be a little bit stronger. Right now we don't have any water pressure, so we're gonna check out some pumps and yeah, see how much that's gonna cost. Okay, we just got done in Home Pro looking at pumps and tanks to store water. Right now I think we're looking at about 14,000 baht. Because the one tank was what, 5,000 something? Almost 5,000. And the pump was 7,000 something. So we're gonna have a guy come out tomorrow and we'll see what he says. All right. Okay, we paid 100 baht for a half a chicken. Yeah, that's a little bit small though.
I'm not going to eat it.
Okay, we'll give me a couple of them now.
Rice? You want rice?
Yes.
Are these 10 baht? 10 baht.
You want
How
any?
much for rice? 5 baht.
Need some change?
You have 10?
A couple of fives for sure.
50 baht.
50 baht.
Yeah. So I was like, do you have 10?
A 10 baht? Yes.
Yeah.
Well, that's what I said. 2 fives. I don't have a 10. There's a 5. And another one underneath it there.
I have vegetables at home.
Yeah.
Just one today.
Cop, thank you. 20 baht for the pineapple. And we paid 50 baht for 5 chicken on the sticks.
4 chicken on the sticks and 2 rice.
Oh, 4 chicken on the sticks and 2 rice. 50 baht. So right now that's 170 baht. Okay, so she says she's gonna make me some hot, spicy papaya salad. Okay. We'll see how hot it is. Oh, you lightweight?
Only 1 chili.
I like it spicy. No, she likes spicy too.
No good from summer. Problem. พี่เอาให้เขาก่อนก็ได้ Okay, I give you first. Maybe I.
Oh no, it's okay. It's okay. You make yours. I can just do a little video.
Okay. I see every day. To do quick, huh?
I might have to learn how to make it myself.
Not too hot. easy. I have everything that make. You put everything you like. Nênเผ็ดนั่นน่ะเม็ดเผ็ดแล้วเอาเม็ดกว่านี้กินมาได้เนี่ยเผ็ดแล้ว
How much?
เท่าไหร่ครับ40 บาทเนี่ย
40 baht. Okay, so we just got a little strawberry cake. Looks like for 20 baht. We're gonna share it. All right, let's head to the house. Yeah, just enough for a taste. That's all we need. All right, guys, this is our haul from the train market. We wanted to go over and see what we could get for dinner, and well, we picked up. You see, we picked up some
like
rotisserie chicken, some kind of fried chicken on a stick. That's probably the only bad thing. I got some sticky rice. We got some cabbage. We got cucumbers. I got papaya salad, and we got some sauces there.
Pineapple.
Oh yeah, and pineapple. So
and our cake.
And this little piece of cake right here we thought for dessert. So this all cost 230 baht. So we're gonna say, let's see, 30, about $7.50 maybe.
This we had at home though.
Oh, well, the cabbage we had at home. About $7.50.
The reason why we got 2 chickens is because we didn't know we could get papaya salad.
Yeah.
There. We thought we were just gonna come home and eat some of our vegetables with the chicken, but we wouldn't have got this much chicken if we would have known we were gonna get that. So next time we know.
So the half a chicken was 100 baht.
Yeah.
So I think it's 200 baht for a whole chicken out here.
Yeah.
Where in Pattaya we were used to paying 160 for a whole chicken.
Yeah, rotisserie right off the grill.
All right, bon appetit, guys. Okay, guys, we are done with dinner. We had 2 of the chicken on a stick left, and a leg and a thigh, right? And then what that is?
Half
of the other chicken, because we had a half a chicken, and a few pieces of cabbage left.
That's it. We ate
Papaya
everything.
salad was good. It still wasn't as spicy as I thought it was going to be, but there was 3 chilies in it.
Yeah, we could ask for a little bit more next time.
All the vegetables are gone. The carrots, or the cucumbers.
Yeah, the pineapple.
Pineapple, papaya salad. Yeah.
It was good.
It was good.
Yeah.